A lot of gurus out there telling you they have the answer on how to blow up on YouTube. But nobody got the answer. Nobody. So you want to start a YouTube channel. That's fantastic. You overcame the greatest obstacle there is, making a decision. Because you know you got a great story, you got a great message, and you want to share it with the world. And the best place, making up these words again, the best place to do it is on YouTube. But I'm not talking to you. I'm talking to those people who say they want to start the channel, but they never start. And I discovered why most people never start a YouTube channel. It's because a couple of things that's going on in their mind, that's going on in their perception of who they are. And I want to get into it because I just want to have a conversation with you. Because a lot of my clients is telling me, yeah, I want to start a YouTube channel, but where do I start? What do I talk about? And that's the main point that I want to get to. Number one, you're going to say, what do you want to talk about? What do you mean what you want to talk about? The idea that you came up with saying you want to start a YouTube channel, that same idea, you want to talk about that. If I wake you up 3 o'clock in the morning, what can you talk about without, needing a script, without needing bullet points? I can ask you the question and you just rattle off, boom, 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 boom. That's what you talk about. Because you reckon your brain trying to figure out, well, if I talk about these things, I might run out of topics to bring up in my videos. Don't worry about that. Talk about the things that excite you. Talk about those things that get you so motivated, inspired that you want to share it with the world. See, I'm outside right now in my second studio, and all these birds and fishes and geese and ducks, and I see a bird over here, and I don't know what kind of bird it is. Let me see if I can turn it around so you can see it. You see that bird over there? I don't know what kind of bird it is. I'm thinking about leaving, but I ain't gonna leave because I'm shooting this video. I'm not gonna stop recording. I'm just gonna keep on playing because that's one thing I learned about shooting a video. Shoot it straight, no edits unless you really, really mess up. And I'm not really messing up. I'm just showing you my environment. And that's number two. When you're talking about things that you love, you don't need to worry about if you mess up. If you mess up, keep on going. Just like in life. If you mess up on your videos, just start from where you ended at. And since that bird just left right now, I'm going to continue on in this message. Why most people never start their YouTube channel. Because a lot of people have great ideas, but the second thing I want to tell you, the second thing I want to say is, a lot of people have that imposter syndrome. The imposter syndrome is stopping you from starting your YouTube channel. Because you're thinking, oh man, they so much better than me. You're watching all these other content creators, and you thinking they so much better than you. Why would you even start? Because you're not even sure what you want to talk about. But I just told you, talk about that thing that makes you excited, that lights you up. When people see you talk, they see the light in your eye. But you have an imposter syndrome, thinking that everybody's better than you. You post a video, you get low views and no views. You're thinking nobody's watching your videos. People are always watching your videos. People are waiting to hear what you have to say. You're not an imposter. You're an original creation that God created for this time and this season right now. And your season is to get on YouTube and share that message that you have resonating in your heart. Stop that imposter syndrome and start being that unique person that God created you to be. The next reason why most people never start a YouTube channel is because you just have to be helpful. You don't have to be an expert. You think you got to be an expert in the topics that you're talking about. No, you don't have to be an expert. You just have to be 1% better than the person that's watching the video. Because if you went through an experience they never went through, you're the expert, according to them. If you overcome a challenge that they never overcame, you're the expert if you came out of that challenge. All you need to be is 1% better than that person. Give you an example. Like in grade school. You ever had a tutor? You in 5th grade, and somebody in 6th grade going to tell you how to do 6th grade calculus, and you're in the 5th grade? That's somebody who is 1% plus better than you. So what's the difference? You're just doing it on YouTube. Those people who are smarter than you, they might just watch your video to see what you're talking about. But those people who need to hear what you got to say, they might be in 5th grade and you in 6th grade because you overcame that challenge. You overcame that calculus. You understand how to multiply, divide, all that stuff. And they haven't even learned it yet. You learned something that they haven't learned. And you can help them get that A on that calculus test. So you don't have to be the expert. You just have to be helpful. And another reason why most people never start a YouTube channel, they think they have to know it all. You don't have to know it all. You just have to know what you know and share what you know. Everybody has to be so smart on YouTube. No, you just have to know what you know and share what you know. Once you share what you know, people will gravitate towards you and say, man, I didn't know that, but you know it. I never thought of it that way, but you thought of it that way. And you got results. The results is your life. Your life is your results. So you don't have to know everything. That's why learning is key. Whatever you share, you're going to learn from it. Whatever your experience is, you're going to learn from it. Why? Because once you learn something, that passion of knowing that thing, knowing that it helps you overcome that situation, help you overcome that challenge, help you overcome growing your YouTube channel when you didn't even think nobody's going to watch your channel, when you didn't even think nobody even cared about you. That's the thing. Your passion fuels your learning. You want to learn more. Look at this bird over here. He's coming back over here, see? Look at this bird. He's back over here. I don't know who he is. See the bird over there? I'm telling you, this is something else. Normally I'll run and get out of here, but hey, it's a live video. Matter of fact, I'm gonna call him YouTube Charlie. Why I'm gonna call him YouTube Charlie? Because he's interrupting my YouTube channel, making my video. That's why I call him YouTube Charlie. Might come back out here again. Anyway, this is what I'm trying to tell you. This is my passion. My passion is to help you grow your YouTube channel. I just gave you some tips on why most people don't start their YouTube channel. The next thing why most people don't start a YouTube channel, because they think they gotta be perfect. You think you gotta start your channel, get 1,000 views the first video? No, you don't gotta be perfect. It's a process to this thing. When you shoot your videos, you gotta be perfect. You gotta have the right lighting, you gotta have the right background, you gotta have everything set up in order. No, you don't. No, you don't. All you have to have is a camera, and better have a microphone, and press record. That's all you need. That's all you need is a camera and a good microphone and press record. Yeah, you gotta have a topic, you know that, but you just need to press record. And what's the easiest way to do that? You got your phone, you're listening to me on your phone, take your phone, press record, even if you don't got a microphone like I got a microphone. Press record and use your phone microphone if you're starting out. Just do that to get the practice in. Practice makes perfect, but when you practice, you got to make sure you're doing it right to get the perfect results that you want. And the perfect results is you started your YouTube channel by shooting your first video. Because it's a process. And as you do the process, you're going to have more ideas coming from the process of shooting these videos. I'm making sure Charlie's not around here. The process of shooting these videos. Once you shoot these videos, you're going to have more ideas. Like this topic, why most people never start a YouTube channel? I'm getting more ideas as I'm shooting the videos. But I'm sticking to what I want to share with you on this video, and I'm going to post that in the next video. Because it's a process. You're learning as you're going. You're learning as you're doing. Here's one thing I want to share with you. Just start. Just start. That's why most people never start a YouTube channel. They don't even start. You have the idea you want to start a YouTube channel, yeah, but you made that decision, but you haven't acted on that decision. I'm keeping all these mess ups in the video. It ain't mess up too bad, but I'm gonna keep it in the video because I'm letting you know and showing you the real raw videos, of me shooting this live, shooting this recording to help you grow your channel. So just start. You have to start your YouTube channel. You have to start somewhere. Where are you going to start at? You're going to start by talking about your life. You're going to start about talking about something that you experience. That's the easiest way to start your YouTube channel. You start on the topic of, hey, let me give you an example. Hey, this is my time. This is my life. This is my experience. I help people over 40 monetize their message to take the digital assets out of their heart, put it in their hands so people can experience their life. I help people over 40 take the digital assets out of their heart, create digital products so they can have digital cash in their life, so they can create a life worth living instead of living life survival. That's what I do. That's who I am. So that's the main thing that I do. You can do the same thing. Hey, I'm married. I live in such and such, and this is what I love to do. I love to plant vegetables in my garden. See all the vegetables out here? Oh man, it took me 3 months to plant this tomato plant, and look, it's already budding baby tomatoes. That's just an example. You could talk about anything you want to talk about, but you know you got to start somewhere. Where you started from? I want you to record a video right after you watch this video, just to get started. I don't care if you mess up. I don't care if you stutter. Keep on shooting it. You can always edit out the mess ups, but I want you to get started so that you can get that momentum. And last but not least, why most people never start a YouTube channel, they got to embrace their authentic self. I ain't talking about you. I know you embrace your authentic self. You just need a little push to get on YouTube. But most people never get on YouTube because they haven't embraced their authentic self. So what? You might stutter sometimes. So what? You might mess up some words. So what if you don't even understand the topic that well? Get on YouTube. It took me years to get back on YouTube, from 2016 to 2022. That's 6 years. And then from 2022 to 2024, that's 4 years. So we talk 2022 to 2024. Ain't no 4 years, it's 2 years. So that's a total of 8 years not being on YouTube. Why? Because I didn't embrace my authentic self. I didn't think people will respond to me. I didn't think people will understand the words coming out of my mouth. I didn't think people would resonate with me. That's why I didn't get on YouTube for so long, but I got on YouTube a year ago. And the channel's grown constantly. That's why I named it My Time Community. My time. This is my experience. I'm experiencing the growth on YouTube. Why? Because I started and because I embraced my authentic self. That's why this channel has grown to the way it is right now. And that's why most people never start a YouTube channel, because they don't think that they can do it. I know you can do it. Why? Because you're watching my video. I'm here to add value to your life. I'm here to help you grow your channel as you grow your life. And if you grow your life, your channel got no other reason not to grow. That's why most people never start a YouTube channel. What do you think about this topic? Why people never start a YouTube channel? What you think about the topic? Matter of fact, what's your story? Why haven't you started a YouTube channel? If you did start a YouTube channel, what's your story? Tell me why you started a YouTube channel. Type in the comment section. I want to connect with everybody that's in this community and everybody that's watching.